Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through a quick and simple guide on how to set auto-download in Google Chrome. If you've ever been annoyed by having to confirm every single download, enabling this setting will save you time and make the process much smoother. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Once you're in, look up to the top right corner of the browser. You'll see three small dots stacked vertically. Go ahead and tap on those dots. This will open up Chrome's main menu. From here, scroll down and tap on Settings. The Settings menu is where all of Chrome's important options are located. Once you're inside the settings, keep scrolling until you find Site Settings. Tap on it to continue. Now inside Site Settings, you'll see a list of different permissions and controls for browsing. Look for the option that says Automatic Downloads. Once you find it, tap on it to open up the download preferences. Here's the key step. You'll see a toggle switch that allows you to control whether websites are allowed to automatically download multiple files. If it's off, simply switch it on. By toggling this option, you're giving Chrome permission to handle downloads without requiring constant confirmations. That's it. You've successfully set auto download in Chrome. From now on, when you're browsing and need to download multiple files, the process will feel seamless, without those frequent pop-ups asking for approval. Keep in mind, this feature is great for saving time and making your workflow smoother, especially if you often download things like documents, images, or multimedia content from trusted sources. However, always be cautious if you're browsing unknown websites, since enabling auto downloads means files can be saved more directly onto your device. Now you know how to quickly activate automatic downloads in Google Chrome. It only takes a minute, but it makes a big difference in how convenient your browsing experience can be.